Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'll take that as good. So, I've heard that this is where the greats like Sidney Crosby come to play hockey. Alright, well I'm glad to be here tonight. We're all glad. I've been right there watching the show, so I was right beside you guys. You should have said hey. I was last with you. But this next song we're singing for y'all is my current single that you might have heard on the local country music radio station. It was my finale song, and it's called I Love You. Let's go! It's good. I know I'm still young, but I know how I feel. I might not have too much experience, ooh, but I know love is real. By the way my heart starts pounding when I look into your eyes, I might look a little silly, standing with my arms stretched open wide. I love you this way, eyes have never seen this way, no one's ever dreamed this way, and I'll spend the rest of my life explaining what words cannot describe, but I'll try. I love you this way. I love you to the moon and back, and I love you all the time, deeper than the ocean, yeah, and higher than the pines. 'Cause girl, you do something to me deep down in my heart. I know I look a little crazy, standing with my arms stretched all apart, but I love you this way. Eyes have never seen this way, no one's ever dreamed this way, and I'll spend the rest of my life explaining what words cannot describe, but I'll try. I love you this big, so much bigger than I ever dreamed my heart ever would. I love you this big, and that write your name in stars across the sky. If I could, well I would. I love you this big, oh eyes have never seen this big, and no one's ever dreamed